This is the project closeout report for project 11.00021 with the title AI-driven interactive platform for Cardano smart contracts. The project participated in Fund 11, more specifically in the Cardano use cases concept challenge, and received a total funding amount of 97,000 ADA. The goal of this project is to make Cardano smart contracts more understandable. To be precise, we build AI tools that help making Cardano projects understandable. This is done by building a smart contract analyzer. First, we would like to share our final results. So we open sourced our results in the repository AI Explainer. They show users how they can reproduce our results. And now I would like to present to you the different milestones, the key learnings we had from the project, and of course our next steps. So first, we started with a research proposal, understanding what does it mean to understand smart contracts. How can an ordinary user profit from tooling, for example, AI tooling or other tooling, to understand smart contracts? And for this, I would first like to motivate with an example. So if you want to, for example, use a DEX, you have audit reports, you know that other users are doing it, using them, but still you have no certainty that you really know the smart contract is correct. I understand that for non-technical users it's very hard to understand the technical details or even audit if the smart contract is safe. But what users can at least do is try to have a better understanding in how the smart contracts work and what kind of apps they're actually, for example, putting real money in, like locking ADA. And for this, we built this AI-driven interactive platform. And the final end result is you upload a smart contract, you can select one of a few different AI models, and then you have a chat where you really have a visualization of your flow. You can ask questions, you can understand different entry points and so on. And we started all this by first performing research into what it means to build such a platform, outlining the different milestones and so on. Then in the second milestone, we went in and actually built a first analyzer. You can see I'm putting in a smart contract here. It generates you the execution flow, the syntax tree. It helps you explain things. You can chat with it and so on. And based on that, we developed our website, which you can see here, which really takes in all the learnings we had from milestone 2. What we then did is we reached out to users for user feedback. This is this document. We wrote a user feedback report that helped us in fixing bugs, and then we made our results public again. So we tried working with different projects. We put out marketing and so on to get users into using our product. And this is one of our key learnings. One is developing something, but the other one is to really get the community to use it. And I think this is one of the few points we kind of excelled in because we did a lot of outreach. We tried getting the community involved. We even created an uptime report that helps understanding how well our model is performing or our tool set is performing. And then as another thing is that it's very important to also open source these things so that other developers can participate in the development, help flag bugs. And our long-term goal is, of course, for this to become really an asset for the community so that people come in and use this to analyze smart contracts, learn more about them. And at the same time, we want to do user education in the sense that we are making them aware that it's very important to understand smart contracts.